Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to the new video. Here we are interfacing keypad with the microcontroller. Here we are using is STM32F411RE. So basically the aim of this project is if we press any key, then the onboard LED will start blinking. Let me demonstrate this project and then I will explain the code. So when we are pressing any key of the keypad, the LED is blinking, which is placed on the board. If you will notice, if I am pressing any of the keys in this 4x4 matrix keypad, the LED is blinking. So let's come to the code, what we have done. So here I have used register. This is the STM32 cube ID, its own ID, where we can code for the STM32 microcontroller, and we can use the library also, but this is I have done using the register. So first I have made a delay function. So this delay function consists of integer I. So basically I am running a for loop for making a time delay, which will help to place in this program further, if you will see. Now for the initialization of the keypad, I have to first enable the clock configuration of port C. Here for the rows we have taken from PC4 to PC7, and for the column we have taken from PC0 to PC3. So first for enabling the clock, we need to enable the port C. So for that we have used AHB1 ENR bus, and with the fourth bit, basically the fourth bit consists of port C, we have to enable. Then using this moder register, which is for the setting of mode, first we have to clear the pin where we are setting this keypad, like for the columns. Basically here we are doing with the columns. So columns are for the inputs and rows are for the outputs. So first we should clear the pin, so to avoid any kind of overwriting of the data. So I have used mode register, and then we will set the pin using we will set the pin as a pull up mode using PUPDR register. So after that we are basically writing a function to make a statement that if a key is pressed or not. So for that we are we are setting the mode for the rows pin, which are from PC4 to PC7. Then using BSRR register we are clearing the rows pin, and then we have taken an integer column where we are storing the input data, which will be stored in the rows pin. So then after we will make the row pins column, because then then we will disable the rows pin, basically because we will be taking column pin as an input. So here the column pin, if it is set to 0, like if the column pin is 0, then it means the all pins are high and it will return 0. If the column pins are not high, means all the pins are not high, it means a key has been pressed, so it will return 1. So this is basically which we are going to put it in main function. So in main function, which we have configured as a onboard LED, on the onboard LED it is on PA5 pin 5 port A. So for that same we have to enable the clock configuration first using AHB1 ENR bus. Then by using modder register we will clear the pin to avoid the overwriting, and then we will set the pin as an output mode. Then we run a while one condition where we are going to check if a key is pressed or not. So for basically a key is pressed or not, we wrote a function above which was keypad kh bit. So we will put it over here. If the kh bit is not equals to 0, then it means the key has been pressed and the light will turn on. If the key is not pressed, with the help of that same BSRR register, it shows that the light is turned off. BSRR register basically is a bit set reset register where it's going to give you the value of setting and resetting as well. Thank you.